1997 Lexus SC400 Coupe. Sexy little car. Beautiful. What we got done on it. Factory converter there. Factory converter there. Then it's got factory pipe in the middle. Then somebody else did an exhaust system on it. It wasn't us. We just did the rear muffler delete, but I said I might as well show it to you guys. They did a pretty good job. So it's all 2 1/4, X pipe in the middle. Then they did a resonator delete, true dual all the way back. And we did a rear muffler delete there and there. And reused his factory tips. He wanted to keep it looking stock for now. He'll come back and we'll change those tips maybe later on down the road. But it's fully straight pipe other than the cats. There's the 2 mufflers that were on it we cut off. And these are bad about the heat shields breaking on them. So you just take them off so they don't rattle. So sometimes if you ever hear a rattle on these, that's why. The rivets on them break. There it is. That's what it sounds. That's what it looks like. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. 1995 SC400. Really beautiful car. Only got 93,000 miles on it. Got a nice body kit on it. Really beautiful car. Here's what we got done on it. So I got 2 factory converters right there and there. Then it had a 3rd converter there, and we didn't like that. So we did 2 high flow cats in its place. And then the customer requested a double X pipe like the Corsa systems come with. Right there and right there. Then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, true dual. There and there. Into 4-inch burnt tips, blue flame tips, right there and right there. Beautiful. There's the double X pipe. Came out really pretty. I like it. Tell us what you guys think in the comments. If you want the X pipe or the high flow cats, there'll be a link in the description. Also, hopefully for the tips if we can find them. Lexus SC400 straight pipe all the way back with an X pipe. That's what it sounds like. What do you think? Yeah. Yes, thumbs up. Yeah. Go ahead. This is his second car that he brings to us. He has good taste in cars. Yeah, look at that. Give it gas. Wow, 113, bro. Hell yeah. 114. That's awesome. Go ahead and back it up. Oh, deep on idle too, man. It's nice. Much better. I like it. That is so beefy out of a Lexus. Yeah, let you guys hear on that. You guys can see, not a scratch on it. It's really clean. It's throaty. Sound decibels, go ahead. Wow. Yeah, something to start doing again. I like it. There it is from the side. Beautiful car. '97 SC400. Straight pipe. Other than the cats. Factory cats, everything else is straight pipe. True dual. Lexus SC400.